that welded up so that they can start hauling silage. So let's go get at it. Okay, so we got the ratchet straps holding it up there. It's broke away from the frame there. It's bent up. We got a crack in it there, and a hole in it there. Grab a piece of angle just for in here. Yeah. I mean, this isn't that bad, but I noticed it's pretty thin right there, right? Yeah. So, a little piece in. Throw a new piece in over there. Wasn't the way I wanted to bend it, but I got it bent. Weld that up here. Keep that in play. All right, buddy. I'm just going to grind all these off, and I don't think there's any need for you guys to have to watch that, but you will anyway. How's it going, buddy? Oh yeah, getting everything cleaned off her to make things easy. Doesn't do too bad now. Most of the hard stuff's done. Most of it. Alright, we got it all cleaned up, straps off. Just going to grind that piece off and pound her out and get ready for welding. My lord, that fits good.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Through the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Okay, so we got most of this all welded up under here. Alright, we just stopped at the local hardware store, grabbed a couple 5/8 bolts, and in grade 8, we're going to weld those to a piece of C-channel, get those in. We're grabbing a bite to eat because fucking starving. Hopefully get this welded on and get it bolted back up, get them ready to go for silage tomorrow. So we're going to take that, and it's going to sit down on there, like so. We're going to put some bolts down through it, bolt it up, and then weld that up to that. So get that done, try and get out of here. Alright, weld those nuts on. And I lost the footage for this, but what ended up happening in the end was we welded up the C-channel to the frame. So I ended up using some jacks and some ratchet straps. So once we got it jacked up and then we measured off the other side, we were able to get a good measurement, keep the axle square, so then we used that measurement on this side, welded the PCU channel up, and got to start making it look pretty. So thanks for watching, Buzzy, and let's get back at it. There we go. We'll get that wheel back on there for him and boot scoot. Alright, she's all painted up and every stuff. Oh, look at the shine. You can even see the truck in the background. That's awesome.